I want to talk about something that I'm calling the Command W problem. For those of you who don't know, if you hit Command W or Control W on a PC, you rapidly close whatever app you're working on. Students are well acquainted to this, as they can be lightning quick to close whatever app that they're really not supposed to be using when they're supposed to be taking notes in class. But the same can be true in corporate environments. And I actually witnessed this the other day in a dev environment where I was touring a dev facility with a CEO, and one of his employees rapidly hit Control W. And we stopped for a second, and he's a pretty aggressive guy. And he's like, "So what did you just close?" And she sort of sheepishly brought up Copilot. And she had been using Copilot as far as an IDE coding assistant, but she didn't actually think that she was supposed to be doing it, even though this was a dev environment and an AI forward dev environment, because she felt that she was cheating on her job. And I found this absolutely fascinating because the leadership had made it very clear that they wanted their staff to be using Copilot in their coding to amplify their outputs, but people still felt like they were cheating on their jobs. So it led to a really productive session with the rest of the staff as far as really shedding some light on the ways that they not only can be using AI, but the ways that they should and are actually obligated to be using AI in their workplace. So think about your organization and whether or not you have an AI forward policy. Are people doing the Control W? Or are they starting to feel more comfortable with the lanes in which that they're allowed under policy to use these tools? It's a really good litmus test for how well that your policy has really been implemented.